Now we see the examples of the equation of plane passing through 3 points. Okay, in the exercise 6.3, it is the example number 11. Find the vector equation of plane which makes intercepts which makes intercepts 1, 1 and 1 on the coordinate axis. Here we want to find the vector equation of plane which makes intercepts 1, 1 and 1 on the coordinate axis. That means the plane passing through 3 points, it is the coordinates on the it is the intercept on the coordinate axis. That means x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept. Therefore plane passing through 3 points 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and it is a 0, 0, 1, and we know that the equation of plane passing through 3 points, vector equation of plane passing through 3 points, it is r bar dot AB cross AC is equal to A bar dot AB cross AC. Okay, but this example, okay, this problem we can solve by using this formula also. Okay, but in the textbook or in the board exam, when the question asked by using the vector method, we can solve by using the vector method. Okay, but we can find the answer by using this formula. Here A, B, C are the intercept made by the plane on the coordinate axis. Here given that A, B, C is equal to 1, therefore required equation of plane, it is a x upon 1 plus y upon 1 plus z upon 1 is equal to 1. It is a required equation, and therefore it is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. It is a equation of plane in a Cartesian form, but here we can ask the question, write the vector equation, okay, or find the vector equation. Here it is a Cartesian equation. Okay, Cartesian equation, it is ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. It is a plus d. D is a plus or minus. Here we can take here plus d, then here it is a minus d. Okay, now here this equation we can write in the form ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, suppose. Okay, here then A, B and C are the direction ratios of the normal. See carefully, A, B and C are the direction ratios of the normal to plane. Okay, and x, y, z be any point on the plane. Therefore this can be written as r bar dot ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is equal to d. See carefully, A, B and C are the direction ratios of normal. Therefore ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, it is a normal vector. It is r bar be any point, that means xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. See carefully, dot ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is equal to d, and when we take a dot product we get this dot product, x into a it is ax, y into b it is a by, and z into c it is a cz. Here that means when the given Cartesian equation we write vector equation, or when a given vector equation we can write directly Cartesian equation. Now it is a Cartesian equation of line, therefore its vector equation it is r bar dot xyz, it is r bar, and here coefficient of xyz it is a 1, 1 and 1. Okay, that means it is a normal and is equal to 1. It is a equation of plane. R bar dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 1. It is a vector equation of plane and it is a Cartesian equation of plane. That means suppose here given 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 6. It is a Cartesian equation of plane. Then its vector equation it is r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4 k cap is equal to 6. It is a vector equation. Okay, see carefully. And when the given vector equation r bar dot 4i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap is equal to 15, then its Cartesian equation it is 4x plus 2y minus z is equal to 15. It is a Cartesian equation. When given the Cartesian equation, we can write the vector equation. When the given vector equation, we can directly write the Cartesian equation by using this. Okay, here. Now, in our example, we can directly write the answer of this question. X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. That is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. It is a Cartesian equation of plane, and therefore its vector equation r bar dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 1. Okay, it is the last answer of this question. But here we use the formula x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. That is the intercept. Okay, plane makes intercept a b c with the coordinate axis. But here for the board exam, we can find this equation by using vector method. Okay, now we solve this example by using vector method. Okay, we know the answer of this question. Okay, here we use the vector method. Okay, here it is the answer. Here, given that plane makes intercepts one, 1 and 1 on the coordinate axis. Therefore, plane passing through points A 1, 0, 0, B 0, 1, 0 and C 0, 0 and 1. It is a plane passing through 3 points A, B and C with position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay, here let A bar, B bar and C bar are position vectors of points A, B and C respectively. Okay, let we find the equation of plane passing through 3 points, and we know the equation of plane passing through 3 points, it is r bar dot AB cross AC is equal to A bar dot AB cross AC. Here A bar, B bar and C bar, we can write A bar, B bar, C bar. Therefore we can write A bar is equal to I cap. Okay, here we can write here in the straight line it is B bar is equal to J cap and C bar is equal to K cap. Okay, A bar, B bar and C bar. Now first we find the AB cross AC. AB, vector AB, it is a B bar minus A bar, and B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, see carefully, it is minus I cap plus J cap. Okay, B bar minus A bar, here I cap it is a 0, here I cap, okay, it is a minus I cap, J cap minus 0, it is a plus J cap. Vector AC, it is a C bar minus A bar, again same, minus I cap plus K cap. Now we find the cross product AB cross AC, it is a normal to the plane passing through point A, B and C. Therefore AB bar cross AC bar is equal to I cap, J cap and it is K cap. AB, it is AB minus 1, 1 and it is a 0. AC minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0 and 1. Now take a cross product. It is I cap into 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, minus j cap into minus 1 minus 0 and plus k cap into 0 minus minus 1, that is 0 plus 1. Okay, and therefore AB cross AC is equal to, it is I cap plus J cap and plus K cap. It is a AB cross AC. Now it is a normal, I cap plus J cap plus K cap, I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Now we find the vector equation of plane. Okay, here answer of this question we can write below the line here. Therefore vector equation of plane is R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar is equal to A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar, and then R bar dot I cap plus J cap plus K cap is equal to, it is I cap, A bar, it is I cap dot AB cross AC, I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and it is a dot product 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1, and therefore R bar dot I cap plus J cap plus K cap is equal to 1. It is a vector equation of plane passing through 3 points A, B and C. It is a vector equation of plane having intercept 1, 1, 1 on the coordinate axis. We can directly write this, okay, or by using the vector method for the board we can solve this method. Okay, here 3 points we can find. When given intercept we can find the points A, B and C. In next example, here 3 points are the directly given. Find the vector equation of plane passing through 3 points, and the 3 points coordinates are directly given. Okay, here we see one example here. See carefully. Okay, plane passing through 3 points, and we can use this formula. Okay, here see carefully, it is find the vector equation of plane which passing through points A 1, 1, 2, B 0, 2, 3 and C 4, 5, 6. Okay, here see carefully. In this example there is a points are the given. Okay, here given that plane passing through points point 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 3 and it's C 4, 5, 6. Now we can write the position vector of point A, B and C. Here see carefully. In the last example points are not given. There is a given that the line makes intercept, plane makes intercept with the coordinate axis. Here in this example there are the points are the given, and we know that the vector equation of plane passing through 3 points, it is R bar dot AB cross AC is equal to A bar dot AB cross AC. It is A bar, B bar and C bar. First find AB, vector AB, then AC. Okay, and then their cross product, it is a normal to the plane. You can find the cross product, okay, AB cross AC, and put the values in this formula. Okay, it is a equation of plane passing through 3 points. Okay, this example for the homework. Okay, see carefully this.